Hello there and welcome back to Chris on Motorcycles in Doncaster. This bike needs no introduction. 1977 Yamaha FS1E. Hit that like button if you had one. Simple as that. Because we all did. And we all went 65, didn't we? Don't forget that bit. So this is a 77 FS1E having a full ground up resto on it, and it's been done to a really nice standard. Got quite a good pile of invoices in, receipts etc for parts purchased, and it's worked on, and it is done really nicely actually. So this will suit any collection, conservatory collection, garage, whatever. This will look really nice in it. They're just an iconic machine, aren't they now? And becoming harder and harder to find. Not that many years ago, I think we had 6 or 7 of them in stock. Now we're lucky to have one. But yeah, it's a real nice clean bike, this one. So we can do nationwide delivery or international if required. Just give us a call for a quote on that, and may be able to look at finance. Again, just give us a call and we can look at doing that. So I'll just put the camera down, because obviously with these classics I need 2 hands type of thing. So I'll just put the camera down there so you get me in shot for a bit, which I'm sure you're all happy about. Now I'm not going to leave it running too long, because as you can see it fills up our showroom with smoke, and it also goes into next door, and they don't like it. So we won't leave it running too long, but yeah, starts first kick, runs sweet as a nut. Real nice clean bike that. So yeah, if you've got any questions, give us a shout, 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrisonmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you'd like to come down and look at the bike in person, more than welcome to. We've got 160 bikes in stock, and the kettle's always on, so you're more than welcome to pop down. As always, I always ask, just give us a call before you set off. I don't want you to get down here and it be sold, or the kettle's not on, and then you're even more disappointed. So just give us a shout before you pop over. So yeah, that's the 1977 Yamaha FS1E in stock, in blue, full restoration, stunning bit of kit. So yeah, don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and above all else folks, have a good day. Cheers.